Take a slow breath, not a forced breath. Just notice the one that is already happening. Let your shoulders drop a little. Let your jaw soften. Let the body be supported for a moment. There is a quiet exhaustion many people are carrying. Not always visible, not always spoken about, but present in the nervous system, present in the background of daily life. You may have felt it, that low, steady tiredness, that feeling of always needing to keep up, to respond, to manage, to hold things together. If you feel tired, there may be nothing wrong with you. You are living in a time that asks a lot from the human system. Constant information, constant decisions, constant stimulation, very little true rest. The nervous system was not designed for this level. It is not weakness to feel overwhelmed. It is physiology. Many people quietly believe they should be handling life better than they are. They tell themselves, I should have more energy, I should be more motivated, I should be able to keep up. But the body is not a machine, and the mind is not meant to run without pause. You are allowed to be tired, not as failure, not as weakness, but as information. As feedback from a system that has been carrying a lot. You have been adapting, adjusting, responding, holding responsibilities, managing uncertainty, processing more than you often realize. Of course, some part of you is tired. Notice what happens in your body when you stop fighting the fatigue. When you stop arguing with your own nervous system. Sometimes the deepest exhaustion comes not just from doing, but from bracing, from staying slightly tense for too long, from being quietly on alert day after day. The body keeps score, the mind keeps running, and eventually the system asks for rest. You are allowed to listen to that signal. Rest is not laziness. Rest is repair. Rest is regulation. Rest is how the nervous system returns to balance. You do not have to earn every moment of stillness. You do not have to collapse before you are allowed to slow down. Even now, as you breathe, as you listen, your body is already beginning to soften. Let the breath be natural. Let the exhale be slightly longer. Let gravity hold what you have been holding. You are not behind because you are tired. You are human. Many people around you are more exhausted than they appear. They are just very practiced at pushing through. But constant pushing is not the same as being well. There is wisdom in recognizing when the system needs gentleness. There is intelligence in slowing down before burnout forces it. You are allowed to move at a human pace. Not the pace of algorithms, not the pace of constant productivity, the pace of a living nervous system. Right now, nothing is chasing you. Nothing is demanding your performance. Nothing needs to be solved in this exact moment. Let that land for a second. Feel your breathing. Feel your body being supported. Feel the small relief of not having to push right now. You are allowed to recover in small moments. You are allowed to take pauses that no one else sees. You are allowed to be a human being inside a demanding world. The tiredness you feel is not a personal flaw. It is often the cost of caring, of trying, of showing up again and again. So for now, you do not need to fix your energy. You do not need to force motivation. You do not need to optimize yourself. For this moment, Just rest a little more deeply inside your own body. Let the breath move slowly. Let the shoulders drop another inch. Let the nervous system feel that it is safe to soften here. You are allowed to be tired, and you are allowed to recover one quiet breath at a time. And now, rest here. Let the music carry what remains. Let the body unwind slowly. Nothing else is required from you in this moment.